Hey everybody, welcome to Mixed Media Heaven. Today we are going to go over the Cute Stickers Only Advent Calendar. I am so excited, it just came in the mail. Without further ado, here we go. Alright, so we start off with just very cute little thank you, as this was a Kickstarter. There's my name, adorable, just kind of a nice little touch to add in there, and I feel like this whole thing would be a great journal entry in and of itself. So here we go. All right, these are not in order right now, so I will speed up the process a little bit while I get these in order for us. Okay, here we go. It is time. Oh my gosh, look. You know what? I almost slept on this. Look it. We get wrapping paper. Look at these, just three. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna give you a second on this. I didn't even realize we just have some very cute little bits of wrapping paper in here. Bonus! Alright, day 1. Alright, adorable little fish ice cream cone, extra sparkle and low-key sparkle. All right, gift number 1. Gift number 2. Okay. Another very cute sticker. Kind of looks like a strawberry on top of a bao bun. All right, day 3. Much bigger. Aww. All right, cherry rabbit. Let's see if we can get the glare off. There you go. All right. I love strawberries. We even have a strawberry festival here where I live. So adorable. Loving this too. Okay. Day 4. Couple little cute donut stickers. I feel like this might have actually a different special name, but here we go. Here we go. Day 5. Okay, a little bit more of what we've already seen. We got these cute fishy ice cream cones, a little strawberry bao bun, and our donuts all through the middle. Day 6. Hey, I mean, honestly, we are going to need some 2025 stickers. Didn't even think about it. Love it. I'm just going to leave this one here, actually. Day 7. Alright, honestly, I'm really loving the theme here. Cute coffee and foods. Looks like a little kitten macaroon. All about it. Day 8. Get some washi vibes. Yes! Okay, so hopefully you can catch this. There we go with no glare. More of these little guys, but in cute washi form. Super cute. Day 12. Okay. This is kind of like PET stickers. Very cute. Oh my gosh. I think this one might be my favorite. Little butterfly bunny. Okay, day 13. I don't know why I can't open this one. Come on, they've just wrapped it so well. Oh, I mean, honestly, I hope you can see this. This is a like bookshelf washi tape, excuse me, with really lovely little gold features to it. Love that. Next we got day 14. The puppy and little kitten reading. Cute, cute. Day 15. Again with that library theme. Of course, everything goes together. Can't wait to use these. These are going to be so much fun to journal with. Okay. Day 16. So when I was a kid, strawberry shortcake was my favorite. These are the vibes this one's giving me. A nice big fat sticker again here. I feel like I should probably leave some of these on the outside edge, eh? Get a look at all of the cute little stickers we've seen so far. Okay, on to day 17. Okay, if you like to do any bullet journaling or just monthly calendaring, this is perfect. If not, they're just super adorable little stickers to use anyway. I really like this. I really like this one a lot. Next up, day 18. Definitely getting more washi tape vibes. Oh my gosh, they're taped way too well. Come on. Here it is. Okay, this one's a little bit thinner. Let's see if we can get it up nice and close for you. More of the like coffee and croissant. I see a little cinnamon roll bun, it looks like, in there. So hopefully it's not too glary for you and you can see these. Add that to our pile of washi. On to day 19. Okay. Oh, well. Quiet Cafe, cute stickers only. I feel like this could go right there in the center. There we go. Day 20. Okay. This little tongue sticking out just cracks me up. I love it. Okay, here's a cute little puppy dog. His name is Joey, apparently. I suppose it could be a her, so excuse me. Or a they. This is adorable little puppy dog Joey. Okay. Day 21. Okay. Keeping with our bakery theme of the last few. Very adorable. Menu, coffee, tea. I feel like you could set up your own page of a bakery almost just with this. All right, getting down to it, day 23. Excuse me, day 22. I can read sometimes, maybe not always, apparently. Speaking of making your own little cafe spread, here we go. Let's see if you can see. Barely you can see a little puppy dog and a little kitty in there. Okay. Okay, day 23. Okay, looks like we've got a little note in here. Okay, so they said this one didn't come out perfectly and are offering a new one on the next order, so that's very considerate, I feel like. I mean, honestly, I'm not really seeing a lot of mistakes here, but I'm guessing these are the people who did the Kickstarter where they got their own little pictures made. So I'm guessing these are fans of Cute Stickers Only. Levine, Rebecca, and Emma. So, hello. Okay, moving right along to day 24. This is the most different shaped package, so we're definitely getting pen vibes here, but let's see. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so I've actually not seen a pen with a little thing like that. So here we go. Quite cute. Let's get a little up close for ya. Here we are. Cute Stickers Only. Uniball 1 pen. Very nice. Alright. Last but not least in the official set is bonus gift day 25. So let's see what we got here. Okay. Cute Stickers Only Kawaii Cafe blind bag. Okay, one glitter epoxy keychain. Ooh. Okay, so let's guess which one. Okay, and I haven't even felt it, so I'm not sure. But I'm a huge kitten fan, so I'm kind of leaning towards one of these guys. Let's see what we got. Let's see how good my guess is. Oh, I have to open it. Okay, here we go. I don't know why this one seems so exciting. I mean, they're all mysteries. It's like almost like a double mystery. Did I not open this well? Aha, here we go. All right, here's the moment. Aww. Okay, so I do love books and I do love coffee. So while I may have been rooting for the kitten, I am still super stoked with this. It's very, very cute. Ooh, I think that's, yeah, we're good. That was just a little bit of my hand is warm. So here we go. This is super cute, and I really like this top charm. Oh, what a nice little touch. I like that. Okay. So those are all the official gifts in the advent calendar. All in all, I really like this package. I think this is a super cute Kickstarter. I would order again. I like this one quite a bit. Okay, so now what I'm going to show you are just a couple of extras if you want to see. That was the calendar as is, but we also got sent as a Kickstarter a couple of extra gifts. So here is one more washi. You can see the strawberries with a bit of a gold little touch to them. I feel like they still definitely vibe with the other washies that we got in this kit. And then a couple more stickers, a little capybara there. Another one in a coffee cup. Another fish sticker. More of the books that go with us. And I'm going to be honest with you, I am powered by caffeine a lot of the time, so nailed it. Alright, so thank you to Cute Stickers Only. This has been very cute. I love the extra special touches. I love the note when you felt like it didn't come out right. And I'm going to tell you, I feel like it still looks gorgeous. And I did order an extra special one where I could get a sticker made with my face too. That has not happened yet, but that's okay. I got a little note saying it was coming soon in January. So just these kind of little extra special touches really are what make a company stand out. So I am very excited. Good job, Cute Stickers Only. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe and let me know what you think.